Let's take a look at the screener. I'll go into the screener, select the price action preset, and then choose Power Day Positive Breakouts. This immediately filters for stocks showing strong bullish activity. If you're looking for short opportunities, you can switch to Power Day Negative Breakouts. Now let's talk about what Power Days actually represent. The idea is simple. Most trading days are just noise. Small price changes, low volume, nothing meaningful, but a small number of days actually define the trend. These are the days when institutions are active. Power days are designed to capture exactly these moments. They combine price movement and traded value to identify abnormal activity. And this is important. Value matters more than just volume because trading 1 million shares at $10 is very different from trading 1 million shares at $100. So power days help us identify where real money is moving. A strong positive power day can signal the start of a new trend, while a negative one can indicate a shift to the downside. Now in the screener, I focus on a few key metrics. First, the power day score. This tells me how strong and unusual the move is. Higher values mean stronger institutional activity. Second, the power day trend. This shows whether the trend is already confirmed or still developing. For example, a pending trend means the move is just starting and may need confirmation. And third, the number of power days in the last 10 days. This is very important because one power day can be a spike, but multiple power days suggest consistent accumulation. For example, looking at NSA, we can see a power day score around 14.5, which is a strong signal. The trend is still pending, so the move is developing. And we also see multiple power days recently, which confirms ongoing buying pressure. Another example is CTMX. Here, the power day is above 13, and the trend is already positive. This is a stronger setup because momentum is already confirmed. And CING as well, showing a solid power day. So overall, power days help us focus on the moves that actually matter, and that makes it much easier to find high-quality setups in the market. Thank you for watching. Subscribe or sign up to our research. And don't forget to do your own research.